What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Launch Art channel. So today I'm going to share a video that should have been out back in November. Unfortunately, life got really busy for me, and then as you can see, I've got a sling on and ended up having a pretty significant injury. And I'm not going to talk about that today, but we'll come back to it for another video when I go to talk about a little bit more about our plans for the spring and beyond. This injury is going to put me out for a little bit, and so we're going to have to make some adjustments. But for now, take a look at this video that I was supposed to get out back in November. And again, just because of everything that's been going on, I couldn't get it out in December. But we'll go ahead and show the video, and then we'll come back here in the end. What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Launch Art channel. So today, even though it is 85 degrees outside, we need to start thinking about winter. And if you guys will recall, a few years ago when I put Bermuda up in the front, one of the promises I made to my wife was that I would make sure that her lawn was green throughout the winter. And the way that I do that is with the Perennial Ryegrass from Barenbrug. I use the RPR simply because it does do a little bit of regeneration, and I'm really comfortable with the seed. I know it's going to do really well. So that's what we're going to use today, but let me show you what's going on in the front right now. So as we approach the front, my little strip here on the side is looking pretty good, and even the plugs are starting to spread out, which is really good to see. Like I said, I knew that they weren't going to be all filled in by the end of the season, but they have a really good start for next year. And then when we look over here to the main part of the grass, it's looking very good. I do have a little bit of, I think, dollar spot going on. So I'm going to be doing some treatment for that as well. But overall, the front is looking great. And then the only place that I'm having some trouble still is right around this tree. And it says, you can see all of this shade kind of causes problems. So I've got a little bit of a bare spot there, but that perennial ryegrass will fill that in nicely. So the way that we are going to handle this today is we are going to lower the height of cut all the way down to 3/8 of an inch. Going to give it a really good scalp, make it nice and ugly. And then we're going to put down seed, put down the rest of the compost that I didn't use in the back. And then we're just going to put some fertilizer down and call it a day. And that is going to get us ready for the winter months. So if you stick around till the end of the video, I will come back and show you results, or at least the beginning of some germination results. So be patient. At the end of the video, I will show you that. I think that's it. I mean, we've said enough. Let's get started. Well, I forgot to turn the camera back on to show me putting down some of the seed, but I can show you what it looks like right now. And it is scalped. It is scalped horribly, in a good way. So there's all the seed, if you can see it, between all the plugs and stuff. A little thicker in some places than others. And then it's hard to see over on this side, simply because it is scalped, but you can see the yellow jacket seed from Barenbrug, and got pretty good coverage. It's about 25 pounds, which is a lot, but that's exactly what I wanted to do. So now the only thing left for me to do is to go through and put down a bunch of compost over this. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna get as much as I can done. If I don't finish today, I'll finish another day. But I wanted to try and get the seed down as quickly as possible, especially on this side over here, simply because it is so bad. On this side, I still got enough time that it will green up over time. The Bermuda will, I think. Even though we've got some cooler weather coming this week, temperatures are going to be in the lows, are going to be in the upper 40s, low 50s. So I think the Bermuda's time is about up, but we'll see what happens, and I'm hoping that this perennial will kick in pretty quickly. So let's get some compost down before it gets too dark.
One week later.
All right, so it's been a week since we seeded the front yard, and it's looking okay. It got cold, and that's why we've got a lot of browning here after we scalped, so the grass never really had time to recover. And it does look a little streaky, but that's, I think, because of all of the lines from all of the compost. And then as we get down here, you can see that some of the Bermuda did recover right in there. But the perennial was coming up. It's slow, but it should be all right. The good news is over here on this strip, we've got some good germination. All right, folks, so I hope you guys have enjoyed that video, and I promise you that I will try and get some videos out in the spring. We'll definitely come out in another few weeks, and I'm going to do just a quick update video as to what happened and what we're going to have to do to make some adjustments for the spring for the Lawn Shark channel. In the meantime, I am putting out some videos out on the Shark Shed channel. For those of you that don't know, I do some home improvement and mostly woodworking now projects. And so if you want to take a look at those, put a link down in the description for that. And I hope you guys have enjoyed your holiday season and enjoying this winter weather. We hit single digits this past week. Today we actually hit 40, so it's downright balmy. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a really good off season, and we will see you soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, which may take a while, go ahead and hit that bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great week, or have a great month, and we'll see you soon. Bye.